Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And believe it or not, I've got a brand new, just released radio from RETEKESS. Now, you look at the radio and you'll say, Tom, you reviewed this many months ago. No, this is the revised version of the V115. It's the V115P. Just came out. Just yesterday was put on Amazon for sale. It's on sale right now. There's a discount. It's normally $29.99. There's a discount right now for $25.49, and that's why I wanted to get to this so that you can take advantage of the discount. Now, this radio has been the exception to small, portable, inexpensive radios. And if you do a Google search about a portable shortwave radio, inexpensive, this one comes up every time. The predecessor does, I should say, the V115. And now they have the V115P, which they've had added a bunch of enhancements. And I'm going to try to go over them. Number one is they've increased the battery capacity. They were using the BL-5C, which is 1,000 milliamp hour battery. Now they've gone to the BL-10C, which is included, which is 1,800. So they've almost doubled the capacity of the battery. I did several battery tests, and I got about 12 to 15 hours of listening to an FM station at moderate volume, continuous. So the battery did not have a chance to recover while it was off. So it was on the whole time, 12 to 15 hours on the 3 or 4 tests I did. So that's a big enhancement right there. It comes with the charging cord for charging that battery, a very extensive manual. Now, here are some of the other things that has been enhanced. Its coverage, its radio coverage has been extended now to add long wave, to add the weather band. So now it becomes an emergency radio. And it's extended some of the other bands that it already had, like the shortwave band is now 4.75 to 21.85 megahertz. The AM band can be either operated in 9 or 10 kilohertz steps for the US. They've added Bluetooth. It now has Bluetooth capability. They've added or enhanced the music playback, and it will use a TF card, which it did before, but now it has an audio equalizer, 6 options when you're playing back music. It now will record from multiple sources. It'll record from the radio itself. It's built-in radio. You can record shortwave stations, FM stations. You can record from an auxiliary input. It has right there an auxiliary input. Here is your headphone jack. Here's your TF card. There's your charging port. Over here, it now has a light. It has a built-in light, which is turned off and on by this switch here. Very bright light. Has the carrying strap, which is normal, and this is normal for this model, is this little kickstand. Pretty nice. The telescopic antenna is about the same. I think it's, I got it in my notes here someplace, 18 inches, and it does swivel. And they've added on the top here a connector for an external antenna. I mean, I can't believe all the things they've added to this. They've added a lot of options to the alarms and to the sleep timer. You can now set alarms over a period of time. You can have multiple alarms, and you can have either an alarm or the radio come on. They changed, I believe, I don't recall this option on the previous one. You can adjust the backlight and the contrast. That's very helpful. It still has the search and ATS function as before. And I'm looking at my notes again because there's so many things. I said Bluetooth. I said it records. Oh, it also records from a Bluetooth input. This thing is chock full. Like I said, the original, the V115, was highly rated. I loved it. This one has just surpassed it. It's basically doubled the capacity and features. It's really a fantastic radio. Let me turn it on for you. Oh, and it has a microphone input so that you can record your own voice or any other recordings that are ambient. Let's go to AM. There's AM. Let's tune up. Single click here, just let you skip through the band.
Contact injury and is believed to have suffered a torn Achilles. In baseball, the Mariners lost
now,
again.
I will, there's a mute button here someplace. Where'd it go? I don't see it. There we go. So you can now mute using this button right here. The band performance. AM, it was kind of average. Didn't improve much on AM. FM was fantastic, or is fantastic. I have a list that I got off the internet of the stations near me within 40 miles. This is FM stations. And there are 43 possible FM stations that I could hear. This heard 45. So it heard 2 additional stations. Now, what it may have picked up, but I didn't verify, is there's also something called FM repeaters, which radio station corporations will put repeaters around a certain area to repeat the transmissions from the original transmitter to get better coverage. It may have picked up some of those. They're low power, so you have to be very close to them, within a mile to pick them up. It may have picked up a couple of those. But the FM performance was great. The NOAA weather, I had picked up the 2 stations that I normally can pick up, even with the best radio. The shortwave, I didn't pick up much. I did pick up a couple of stations within the United States at early morning hours, but with this 18-inch telescopic antenna, I don't expect you to pick up much on shortwave. That is where this external antenna connector comes in. So you can hook up an external antenna and then improve your shortwave reception. What else can I tell you about? Let me just show you. Let me get it to the light up again so you can see. Okay, I've set, and I don't know if my camera's going to do a very good job. I've increased the backlight. I think I have it on maximum. And I've increased the contrast. No, I don't have backlight maximum. I think the backlight is maybe 3/4 maximum, and the contrast is 100%. So now it's really easy to read. When you use the mute, and it went off, let me turn mute off. When you use the mute, it shows you a battery indicator that's X'd out, meaning it's in mute mode. I mean, I can't say enough about this RETEKESS V115P. It's just now, yesterday, they sent me an email and said, okay, we put it in the Amazon store. You can do your videos on this radio. So it just came out on the market. Normal price is $29.99. It's on sale right now, which, as you know, Amazon sales don't last long. They come and go quickly, so that's why I'm trying to get this video out. It's on sale for $25.49. So I would definitely say get one, because now it is a emergency radio. It has NOAA. Let me select the weather band.
We'd have a little frost here. Oh. Saturday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts
There's the weather band.
20 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet.
I could not. Let me mute again. I like this mute function. There, I like that. I could not find anything in the manual about how many memories it has. It might be in there. Like I say, the manual is very, very extensive. I may have seen it just flip by. Did I see that? Saw a table there. Let me look. No, that's the weather band frequencies. Also, it shows you, I don't know if it shows up on my camera, these are all the things that show up on the display, up the top of the display, all the things going on. Like this is in the music mode, music playback mode. It will even show you, let me just try it because I do have some YouTube music here. And I just have to remember how to, oh, I forgot how to get, oh yeah, I gotta go to menu. And then now this is the various things you can select: radio, Bluetooth, music, or tools. And then we use these buttons, go over to music, and we hit enter. There it is. So there, let me mute. So there, right here, it's showing the file name. It will also, if the file contains lyrics, it will show the lyrics. And it also has a spectrum display. Pretty cool. And there's many other options in the MP3 player. Plus, it now will record or will play back additional formats, MP3 formats, that the previous one didn't. And one of the formats will have the lyrics in it, and it will show the lyrics on the screen. Pretty cool. I think that's about it. I hope I didn't miss anything. I probably did, but I wouldn't wait. I'd get you one. It gives you the addition of the NOAA weather now. If you live in Europe, it gives you the long wave band, which you can't get much long wave in the United States, so that's not an advantage. Whew. Get you one before the price goes up, before they're gone. They could be a bestseller and run out. So get you one. I put it in my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is in the description below the video. I also am going to put a link to go to directly to Amazon. I don't get a commission if you use that link, but to go to directly to Amazon where the web page on this new radio is. I'll put that in the first comment down below the video, so you can get you one ASAP. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.